The central government is likely to move an impeachment motion in Parliament against Justice Yashwant Verma in the upcoming monsoon session. The reason? Bundles of cash were allegedly recovered from his residence during a fire incident on 14th March. Despite requests to resign, Justice Verma has refused to step down. A three-member inquiry panel reportedly submitted a report containing photographs and videos of burnt currency and statements from multiple witnesses. The report was forwarded by then Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, to President Draupadi Murmu and PM Narendra Modi. The government is now coordinating with parliament leaders to build consensus for impeachment. The President has referred the matter to the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha and the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. A formal impeachment motion needs at least 100 members in the Lok Sabha or 50 members in the Rajya Sabha to initiate. Now, how are judges impeached in India? Let's simplify the constitution process. The motion is first moved by MPs in either house. Once accepted, the Speaker or the Chairman forms an inquiry committee, which is headed by the CJI or a Supreme Court judge, includes one Chief Justice of a High Court and one distinguished jurist. If the committee finds the judge guilty, the report is presented to the House. The House then debates and votes on removal. The judge can defend themselves in the House. The vote requires more than 50% of total members and 2/3 of those present and voting. If the Parliament passes such a vote, the President issues an order of removal. Removing a High Court or Supreme Court judge is an extremely rare and rigorous process involving multiple levels of review and high parliamentary thresholds. So far, no judge has ever been removed in India, although a few resigned when proceedings got serious. Stay tuned for the latest updates in Justice Yashwant Verma's case.